So, you bought eTech City's coax cable crimper. Now what? It's time to put your new high-quality steel tool to good use. Let's get started. First, grab your crimper, a cable connector, and the cable you want to crimp. You'll also need a coax stripper. If you're working with an aluminum cable, you can use the eTech City crimper's built-in cutter. Otherwise, make sure to have a cable cutter on hand. Not to worry, the cable crimper is compatible with most cable connectors, such as F, RCA, and BNC connectors. Make sure the F connector is compatible with the crimper. Start by using the coax stripper to remove the shielding around the cable. Once the wire is exposed, peel back the covering. Use the cable stripper to remove the insulation around the core. Place the connector over the wire, making sure the insulator goes all the way through the connector. Then, open the valve on the crimper and insert the cable connector. Next, squeeze the rubber clamps to crimp the F adapter to the cable, like this. Now, all that's left is to attach your connector. Nice job! Your cable is crimped and ready to go. Any questions? Your assurance. Happy crimping!
With the Tormek jig for gouges SVD185, you can sharpen fingernail-shaped turning gouges, different types of round and spoon-shaped carving gouges, straight or curved V-tools, and also changeable turning cutters. You can set the jig to get the shape you want. At 0, you grind an almost straight across profile. At 2, you get this shape. And at 6, you get even longer side edges. By using the same setting and by mounting the tool with the same protrusion, you can exactly replicate the shape of the tool. With the Tormek Turning Tool Setter TTS100, you will have full control over the 3 factors that determine the shape. Number 1, the jig setting. Number 2, the protrusion. And number 3, the distance to the stone. When you control these 3 settings, you can easily sharpen your tools with precision over and over again. With the right settings, only 1/1000th of a millimeter of the steel is removed, and the sharpening is fast. A few strokes is enough. Then hone away the burr and polish the bevel with the tool still mounted in the jig, and you will not risk rounding off the edge. You hone the inside on the profiled leather honing wheel. You get a very fine edge and minimal wear on your tools.
Hi, I'm Roger Berard, creator and founder of Vito Pro Pack Tool Bags. And what we have here is our model XXLF. And what this bag basically is a soft side version of the classic Carpenter's wooden toolbox. We have a center panel that runs through the center of the bag and runs down and integrates into a 3mm thick polypropylene base. Attached to that is the flexible hinged nylon plastic handle with the rubber overmolded grip. The body fabric is 1800 denier nylon. And on this bag, on the front side, we have all your vertical tool storage. So all your various tools, chisels, screwdrivers, wrenches, vice grips, even slots for small punch hand saws, speed squares, can all be stored on that side. And then on the back side, like a wooden toolbox, is horizontal storage, where you can keep hammers, hacksaws, coping saws, small shortcut style handsaw, ripping bars, all those things that require horizontal storage can be stored in the back. We even have a slot for a framing square, which fits right in the very back here. On the outside, we have two horizontal zippered pockets here for small accessories and items. On the end, we have a stainless steel tape clip for your tape measure. And then on this side, we have three vertical pockets for our utility knife, framing pencil, marker, pens, pencils. This bag is 9.5 inches wide, which makes it fit ergonomic to your body, and comes with a heavy-duty shoulder strap, which you can throw over your shoulder going from the truck, which gives you two free hands to grab either tools or to open up a door to get into the job.
Checkpoint Levels was established in 1998 to provide the quality professional tools you need to get jobs done faster and easier than before. We are the #1 level for all pro trades, including plumbers, electricians, welders, and fabricators. The U6 V-Groove patented design incorporates more degree readings than any level in its class to meet any contractor's need. It features a sturdy 2.5 inch by 2 inch billet 6061 body. 16 rare earth magnets supply super holding power on any ferrous pipe, tube, conduit, or other workpiece. An oversized super accurate reading bubble vial and reads at 0, 22.5, 30, 45, and 90 degrees. The U6 V-Groove level is a box full of tools that fits in your hand or your pocket. If you demand accuracy with convenience on the job, get your Checkpoint Professional level today.
Introducing the Flexzilla retractable water hose reel, featuring level wind technology. Its unique winding system automatically layers hose back and forth across the reel to store or unwind your hose quickly without coiling and without jamming. Let the hose latch every 3 feet, then just pull to release. Or switch to free run for immediate automatic rewind. Mount the Flexzilla reel on a wall or ceiling. Lock it down to one of 7 set angles. Or let it swing freely to follow your movement. Or use the built-in handle and flat base for freestanding portable use. The durable polypropylene outer shell is resistant to UV rays. And of course, Level Wind comes with our revolutionary Flexzilla hose that doesn't kink under pressure. The 70-foot, half-inch diameter hose is much lighter than traditional hoses, but is extra durable and abrasion resistant. Plus, we include a 10-foot hose for easy connections between your spigot and our extra-large swivel that maximizes water flow. Don't settle for an ordinary water hose reel. Make your life easier with Flexzilla Level Wind technology.